Tesla fan crowdfunds $1,800 for high-mileage battery, repair. A prominent administrator of Australia's largest Tesla owners group on Facebook launched a GoFundMe campaign after his 2021 Model 3 standard range. Plus broke down with over 417,000 kilometers driven. The vehicle failed while charging in Brisbane, requiring roadside assistance and eventual towing for repairs. The campaign, initiated by Nathan Merite, rideshare driver, who acquired his Tesla with a loan from his grandfather, aims to raise $1,800 to cover the cost of repairing the high-voltage battery pack. As of February 2, the GoFundMe had garnered $1,427 from 24 donations, including anonymous contributions ranging from $5 to $500. The backlash the move sparked significant debate within the Tesla community. The top comment on his original Facebook post, receiving over 436 replies, called the GoFundMe in poor taste, given Merritt's business use of the vehicle and potential tax write-offs. The post's comments have since been disabled, and some users report being suspended from other Tesla groups for voicing criticism. Merritt defended the campaign, stating that community members had suggested the idea and that contributions were entirely optional. He also addressed misinformation circulating about the ownership of his Tesla Powerwalls, clarifying they were purchased rather than gifted. Why this matters: the incident highlights several trends. First, it reveals the durability of Tesla vehicles under high-mileage conditions. Second, it underscores the growing financial burdens of electric vehicle maintenance as batteries age. Third, it exposes tensions within online car communities between individual reliance and collective support. Finally, the controversy around the GoFundMe raises questions about transparency in crowdfunding for personal expenses. As of today, the Tesla Owners Australia group has over 116,100 members. The largest in the country, though membership appears to have slightly declined since the GoFundMe went live. The incident serves as a reminder that even in communities built on shared enthusiasm, financial appeals can quickly divide.